In this video, I'll talk about the three most common mistakes that data scientists tend to make in their work. The first mistake is starting with bad data. Data that is incomplete or biased needs to be fixed before it is used. A company that makes major decisions based off of inaccurate or biased datasets will be setting themselves up for failure. The advice here is to carefully examine and clean data before using it in any analysis. The second mistake is allowing budgetary or timeline restrictions to hurt the work. Data scientists are not always able to use the best tools and methods available due to budgetary and/or timeline restrictions. The budgetary and timeline restrictions are more common than you think in industry. Companies want solutions and they naturally want them fast. It's now up to us to balance all the expectations to come up with long-term quality solutions quickly. And this does result in missing scenarios in the assumptions or spending more time integrating the work being done or even in communicating the progress. The advice here is to learn to communicate problems and progress effectively with both technical leads and business leads to keep projects on track. The third biggest mistake is not understanding the business. For younger data scientists in particular, a lack of domain knowledge can be a problem to the work being done. Data scientists must have both the business and the technology understanding to be the best at what they do. The advice here is to spend time collaborating with colleagues instead of working only by yourself. This will develop a well-rounded understanding of how data is being used across departments. Spending time studying the domain, for example, retail, healthcare, finance, etc., and interacting with the day-to-day operations of a business help us understand the data better. Even though data scientists are named the best job in America for the last 4 years, they enjoy high job demand and lucrative salaries. In exchange for their skill sets in big data analysis, machine learning, coding languages, algorithms, and problem assessment. Part of the reason for the great demand for data scientists at nearly every company is the rise of the consumer-driven market. With the power shifting to the consumers, there's an increased competition among companies to be better, and there's pressure to be the option for their customers among the multitude of existing choices. Within this scenario today, there's not much space for building decisions on experience or gut feeling. The market is changing, and so are the trends. So it is very important to make decisions based on data. Companies want to use data and statistics to both improve how they serve their customers and their own internal problems. With a rounded skill set and the flexibility to fit in any team, marketing, advertising, pricing, inventory, etc., companies naturally want someone who understands their business in a broader sense. Data scientists fit perfectly in this scenario. They work as a bridge between information technology and business to come up with solutions built on the internal and external factors and data.